Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I am Yasna and today I would like to share a tutorial on how to play this QuizWhizzer Indah Kata Secantik Bahasa game-based learning activity. Firstly, teacher must open the QuizWhizzer and click your game at the left of this platform. And the Indah Kata Secantik Bahasa quiz will look like this. After that, click play and the choose game mode statement will appear. You can show live race and home mode. For this activity, teacher must click live race mode because this quiz is doing live with the student in the classroom. Then click continue. So this is the game option and make sure all of these options are like this. Then click go. So the QuizWhizzer will appear like this. It shows access code and link to join. Here, the student have to type the QuizWhizzer.com/play at Google Chrome to join the game and then type the access code. And then enter the student's group's name. For example, Mamat and Daud. And then click play. After all of the students have entered the game, teacher can click the start button. At the teacher QuizWhizzer, it will show the students' rank. While at the student QuizWhizzer, it will show the questions. Students must click the next question button to answer the next question. The student profile will move forward if they give the correct answer and keep static if it is a wrong answer. At student QuizWhizzer, it also will show their range and other player at the track. At certain questions, students will get a reward that will increase their group's mark. If students give a wrong answer, they also can check the correct answer. If students finish and get a higher mark, they will get a congratulations statement. Last, the student's score will be shown at their QuizWhizzer profile at the end of the game. They can rate the game or send feedback to the teacher about this quiz. The summary of the correct and wrong answer of the students will be shown. They can check which question they answered correctly and wrong. At the teacher QuizWhizzer, it will show like this. So, teacher must click view result table. The 3 top student marks will be shown at the podium. The difficult or tough question will be shown at the right of the quiz. Teacher can view all of the students' marks by click the view result table. So, the result table will look like this. Teacher can see which questions their student answer wrongly, and also teacher can download the report. Before I forget, at the control panel, teacher can set the timer to the quiz. For this Indah Kata Secantik Bahasa game-based learning, I will set timer in 20 minutes. After that, click show. Then the timer will be shown at the quiz. That's all for me about the tutorial to play this game-based learning activity at QuizWhizzer. Thank you.